Every payment your business processes is generating data. Then, why is it missing from one place your teams actually work in? Your customer details, your sales pipeline, everything is inside Salesforce. And your payments are still living somewhere else. I'm sure you're wasting your time manually tracking every transaction, but just imagine, what if every transaction was automatically stored right where your customer data is? In fact, what if your transactions could be processed from Salesforce itself? Meet ChargeOn,
payment processing and orchestration platform built natively inside Salesforce.
It sits between your org and your payment gateways, capturing every transaction automatically. So your CRM becomes your financial command center. ChargeOn connects 19 plus leading gateways like Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, Aiden, and more, which are all configurable side by side. Whether you want to run subscriptions through one gateway and one-time payments through another, it won't be a problem. And if a transaction fails, ChargeOn automatically retries through a backup gateway, up to 3 in a sequence. So a processor outage never costs you a sale. It gives you the flexibility to charge customers instantly, schedule a payment for later, or set up a fully automated recurring plan using card, bank transfer, ACH, or e-check. And if you ever need a remote option, generate a secure payment link in seconds and let your customers pay on their own time with all the same gateway power behind it. Now, the recurring billing also allows customizations for subscriptions and installment plans. You can configure recurring billing by count, end date, fixed amount, or subscription term like weekly to yearly. Once done, you can take a peek at what the plan will look like and even charge an upfront first installment. But sometimes, even after all this automation, a payment might fail. Well, ChargeOn has a feature to save your lost revenue: automated collections. It sends reminders via email and helps your customers in retrying the payment. You can choose how many reminders or how often these emails should be sent out, and ChargeOn will take care of recovering the revenue. ChargeOn also enables you to recover credit card processing costs by automatically applying a configurable surcharge to credit card transactions. The surcharge is displayed to customers before payment confirmation and then included in the final payable amount. Our solution makes everything a breeze for you, and it does so with full compliance. Every sensitive data is tokenized the moment it's captured, so it never sits exposed in Salesforce. It also adds 3D secure authentication and reCAPTCHA on payment links, and you've got enterprise-grade fraud protection without writing a single line of code. If your business operates across borders, ChargeOn handles multi-currency transactions automatically. And because payments map to any standard or custom Salesforce object, accounts, opportunities, or anything, you charge customers from wherever your business already tracks them. Talking about tracking, invoicing and bookkeeping is often a hassle, especially if you have to do it manually. With ChargeOn, you can now save time on reconciliation by automatically generating an invoice before any transaction. And if your payments were physical, you can simply log them with Add Cash or Add Check feature. This is your single source of truth with real-time dashboards on success rates, revenue, and overdue accounts. While there is an abort and refund option for scheduled or recurring payments, which sends the amount back to the customer right where it came from. Maybe you need to issue a refund as account credit. With ChargeOn's credit memo feature, you can create and manage customer credits directly inside Salesforce. Those credits can be applied to future invoices or outstanding balances, making adjustments, overpayments, and account credits easy to handle. I know that is a lot to take in, especially for someone who is not familiar with Salesforce. Well, don't worry. You can charge your customer just like you talk to Gemini or ChatGPT. With the ChargeOn Agent Assistant, your team can process payments in any flow, issue refunds, and pull transaction history just by asking in a natural language prompt. In fact, in any language that you speak. That's ChargeOn, keeping your payments fully orchestrated, fully inside Salesforce. Connect with us to get started.